Picture a place where children's imaginations take flight, where every corner invites discovery, where play is as enduring as the structures themselves. Introducing the Outlast Playhouse by Community Playthings, a haven for open-ended, outdoor dramatic play.
Tell us what you want. No, eat it pie.
What all are you gathering, son?
Go.
Designed to come together smoothly and simply, setup feels as natural as play itself. Modular cube furniture means every play space can be reimagined on the spot. Creativity in motion. Elevate your play experience with the Outlast Playhouse, where imagination thrives and memories last forever.